Chemist Warehouse Group is an Australian company operating a chain of retail chemists both locally and internationally. The company is one of Australia's largest retailers with over 500 stores in Australia and employs over 20,000 staff. Chemist Warehouse uses a complex franchise structure to circumvent Australian regulations that limit how many pharmacies a company can operate in any one area. The company's structure allows it to control about 400 pharmacies across Australia, and it makes up about 50% of the market share. The business model used by Chemist Warehouse is thought to involve minimal equity investment by individual pharmacists who agree to the trading terms enforced across the group. Individual pharmacists working under the Chemist Warehouse umbrella benefit from the bulk purchasing power that comes with being part of the company. Unlike traditional pharmacies, Chemist Warehouse generates most of its sales from non-prescription products such as vitamins, fragrances, cosmetics, and baby formula. Chemist Warehouse also partly owns several brands including Bondi Protein Co., Goat Soap, Beerly Intimate Skincare, Bambi Mini, and the Wagner Supplement brand. It is a shareholder in medical vape manufacturer Liber Pharmaceuticals. In addition to online shopping through Chemist Warehouse websites, the company trades on several e-commerce marketplaces. It sells to China on Alibaba's Tmall Global and Kala platforms, and to Southeast Asia on Lazada. The company sold more than 20 million Australian dollars worth of stock during the first 7 hours of Alibaba's Singles Day sale in November 2018. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.